Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to prevent access to drives in this PC on Windows 10. By implementing these steps, you can enhance the security of your drives and protect your sensitive data. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Run dialog box by pressing Win+R on your keyboard. Type gpedit.msc in the box and click OK. This action will open the Local Group Policy Editor, which is a powerful tool for managing various settings on your Windows 10 system. Step 2. Once the Local Group Policy Editor opens, navigate to User Configuration, then Administrative Templates, followed by Windows Components, and finally, File Explorer. These options will be available in the left pane of the editor. Step 3. In the File Explorer folder, you will find a setting titled Prevent Access to Drives from My Computer. Double-click on this setting to modify its properties. Step 4. A new window will appear. Select the Enabled Radio button to activate this feature. Next, choose the drive or drive combinations that you want to prevent access to. Once you have made your selection, click Apply to save the changes. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully prevented access to drives in this PC on Windows 10. The changes will take effect immediately, without the need to restart your system. If a user attempts to access the blocked drive from this PC, they will be blocked and receive an error message. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.